Here we come to the absolutely mobbed elevator here at the M&M store. Times Square, New York. Monitor fixtures, of course. Although at least they're PC instead of TR. And look at this thing travels a long way actually. And this thing is a turtle, literally. This thing is mega slow. It's not easy being this amazing. See, look at this. It took been like 20 seconds since it changed to 2. Unless someone stopped it. Someone probably stopped it. Here it is. I wonder if you turned the fan off. Probably not. There we go. I think they did turn the fan. So you guys going up?
Yes, thank you.
Which one, 2 or 3?
2. Thank you.
No problem.
You want some? Oh, I don't want some. No, 1 by 1. He should give you the whole bag.
Do you have a motor now? There you go.
Thank you.
No, apparently I think the fan's off. Let's see, listen to it. This thing does sound like... We gotta... This one doesn't light up. 2 or 1?
1.
1. We level. Anyone going to 2? There we go. No, we're not stuck. It's slow though.
Oh, I thought you did.
There we go. Bottom. Okay, let's see. Alright, we're gonna see if we get a full trip up. Let's see, here we go. Dang it. This thing is mobbed. This one doesn't light up. Going up?
Yeah, back in there. Going up on a Tuesday. Same thing. Burn. Okay, let's just. Nancy Allen says he loves him. Ouch. Oop. That fuck. That's what I should tell him.
There you go.
Thank you.
No problem.
Might run your feet over.
Alright, we'll get the cab view while we can. It's a nice But definitely seen better days, especially on the floor. A lot of gunk. I like the big M&M guy in the back. It's cool. Looks like we're making the whole trip down. 2's burned. Are these even prep? No. Get the funny bee. Dude, why does it sound like it's going up? Listen to that. You hear it? That sounds like an elevator motor, but that's not the elevator. That's so weird. Well, anyway, there it goes. And that's it.